Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to get 4K quality on CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your CapCut application, and after that you can start doing your new project and start editing the video by click this create. Or if you already have the video or project that you're ready to save, just open your project. And here is the project that I would like to save into my phone. And to get a 4K quality video on a CapCut, you just need to take a look on this part before you save the video. So this part is for exporting your project, but this part is for manage the quality of the video. So if you want to get a 4K, just click this part and you need to change or drag this point into the 2K or 4K. And you should remember and take a look on this estimated file size. So the higher the resolution, it will be also the bigger size that you will get for one video. And whenever you already drag this into the 4K, and you also need to adjust in the frame rate to get a smooth video moving by go click the 60, and you can see that the size is going bigger from 6 to 13. And after you're done adjusting everything, now your video are ready to export it and save into your phone in a 4K files. So that's the way how to get 4K quality on a CapCut application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.